So today we will talk about HEPro. HEPro or hands-on experiential projects is a groundbreaking free experiential learning platform designed to transform how individuals learn, apply and grow in the fields of management, technology, business and process excellence. Built on the philosophy that real learning happens by doing. HEPro offers a dynamic ecosystem where students, professionals, and lifelong learners gain hands on experience through practical application rather than passive study. The platform hosts over 400 real world projects, 100 plus business and process models, and 120 plus free certified courses, all crafted to develop job ready skills and strategic thinking. Learners can also participate in life challenges that simulate real world business scenarios, promoting competitive learning and problem solving. What sets HEPro apart is its 100% free access, industry recognized certifications, and community driven learning environment, ensuring inclusivity and continuous skill development for all. Developed by experts from both academia and industry, HEPro bridges the gap between theoretical education and real world execution, empowering over 1 lakh learners to build portfolios, strengthen employability, and lead with innovation. Whether it's mastering business strategy, exploring new technologies, or improving operational excellence, HEPro serves as a one stop hub for experiential, project based, and impactful learning. You can visit HEPro and explore the platform just by writing hepro.in on any browser. So, from the next part onwards, we will discuss about the detailed training modules and sessions for HEPro.in user training program. So from this part, we will discuss about the detailed training modules and sessions for HEPro.in user training program. The HEPro.in user training program is designed to help learners, educators, and professionals fully understand and utilize the platform's powerful features. This program includes detailed training modules and structured sessions that walk users through every stage of their HEPro learning journey, from registration to certification. Each module is crafted to provide a hands-on learning experience, ensuring users not only explore the platform but also understand how to apply its resources effectively. Moving on, now we will start the discussion about the details of the different modules. In the first module, we will discuss about the platform introduction. In session 1.1, Welcome and Platform Philosophy, we introduce you to the HEPro Courses Hub, your comprehensive gateway to over 120 free experiential learning courses. These courses are designed to equip you with real world skills, industry relevant knowledge, and certifications that hold genuine value. At HEPro, the philosophy is simple yet powerful. Learning happens best through doing. Every course on the platform goes beyond theoretical understanding and focuses on practical application. You will engage with guided projects, strategic models, and hands on tools that allow you to learn by solving real world problems. This approach ensures that you not only understand concepts but also know how to apply them effectively in professional scenarios. Getting started on HEPro is a straightforward process. Begin by browsing the course catalog to explore various topics that align with your interests or career goals. Once you find the right course, Enroll and start learning at your own pace. As you progress, you will actively apply what you learn through project-based exercises and practical case studies. After completing your project, submit your work, and upon successful completion, you will receive your HEPro certification completely free of cost. This session highlights the foundation of HEPro's learning philosophy, a commitment to making education experiential, accessible, and impactful. Through this platform, learners don't just gain knowledge, they build portfolios, enhance employability, and develop the confidence to excel in their chosen fields. Moving on in the next slide. Here we will discuss about the platform mission and value proposition. The mission of HEPro is to empower learners and professionals by providing an accessible, experiential, and collaborative digital environment that truly redefines how learning happens. The platform is built to bridge the gap between theory and practical application, ensuring that every user doesn't just acquire knowledge but learns to apply it effectively in real world contexts. HEPro believes that education should create thinkers, problem solvers, and innovators, not just learners who memorize information. What truly sets HEPro apart is its strong value proposition, designed to make learning deeply engaging and outcome driven. The platform follows a learn by doing approach where users gain practical skills through hands on simulations, case studies, and projects that replicate real business and industry scenarios. Through personalized learning pathways, each learner's journey adapts to their unique goals, ensuring they can focus on skills most relevant to their career goals. Every resource on HEPro is expert led and carefully curated by industry professionals and domain specialists, guaranteeing that the content is both creditable and up to date. The platform also fosters collaboration and networking, encouraging learners to connect with peers, mentors, and professionals, creating a space for shared growth and collective learning. Most importantly, HEPro's approach is outcome oriented. Every course, project, and challenge is designed to strengthen employability, practical skills, and problem solving ability, ensuring that learners translates into measurable progress. Together, these elements define HEPro's mission and value, a platform where learning is hands on, meaningful, and transformative. Moving on. Here in session 1.2, we will discuss about account setup and navigation. You will start by registering on the HEPro platform. Begin by providing your basic details and completing the sign up process securely to create your personal account. Once registered, move on to creating and customizing your profile. Add your personal, academic, and professional information so that the platform can tailor your learning experience and recommend courses, projects, and challenges that fit your goals. Next, focus on navigating the core sections of HEPro. Start with the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your progress, ongoing courses, and any updates you need to know. Then explore the learning modules, where you can access all your enrolled courses, hands-on projects, and interactive learning activities. Make sure to visit the community spaces where you can join discussions, connect with peers, and collaborate in forums or group projects. Check out the resources section to access supporting documents, templates, and guides that will help you complete projects effectively. And if you ever need assistance, the support or help center is always available. Here you can find FAQs and reach out for guidance whenever required. By following these steps, you will have your HEPro account fully set up and be ready to navigate the platform confidently, ensuring you can start learning and applying your skills immediately. Moving on, in this onboarding content, the first step is the registration process. To get started, visit HEPro.in and click on the Sign In button. Enter all the required details such as your name, email, and password, and complete the verification process through email or SMS to activate your account. Once your account is ready, move on to profile creation. Log in and go to My Profile. Here, add your personal informations like a profile photo and contact details, and fill in your academic and professional background. Make sure to highlight your skills, interests, and career goals so that the platform can personalize your learning journey and recommend courses and projects that match your aspirations. Finally, complete your initial orientation. HEPro provides a series of guided tour, pop-ups, and walkthroughs to introduce the key sections of the platform. This orientation helps you understand where to access courses, projects, resources, community spaces, and support features, ensuring you can start your learning journey with confidence and clarity. Moving towards the next slide. Here in session 1.3, let us discuss about setting learning goals. You will learn how to define and structure your personal learning objectives to make your HEPro journey more focused and effective. Start by understanding why setting learning goals is important. It gives your learning a clear direction, helps you stay motivated, and allows you to track your progress over time. Most importantly, it ensures that everything you learn aligns with your career aspirations and personal growth. Next, identify the types of goals you want to set. Begin with short term goals, which are skills or knowledge you want to acquire in the coming weeks or months. For example, you might aim to complete a course on communication skills or finish a hands on project in marketing analytics. Then think about your long term goals, which relate to broader ambitions such as career transitions or academic milestones. For instance, you might plan to move into a data science role within the next 2 years or build a strong portfolio in process excellence. By clearly defining both short term and long term goals, you can select learning paths on HEPro that are tailored to your interests and professional aspirations, ensuring that every project, course, and activity contributes meaningfully to your growth. Moving on, in this section, you will explore personalized goal setting tools on HEPro that help you turn your aspirations into a structured and actionable learning plan. The Goal Planner allows you to input your career objectives and personal interests, and based on this information, the platform recommends the most relevant courses to match your goals. Next, the Learning Pathway Generator suggests a structured sequence of courses. For example, starting from beginner, progressing to intermediate, and finally reaching advanced levels. So you can build your skills step by step. To keep your progress on track, the milestone tracker breaks your larger goals into smaller, achievable tasks, helping you stay motivated and monitor your accomplishments over time. Additionally, reflection logs provide a space to update your progress, evaluate what's working, and refine your goals as you grow and learn. The key takeaway is that by setting clear learning goals and leveraging these personalized tools, you can create a customized learning journey on HEPro, one that balances immediate skill building with long term career growth, ensuring every course, project, and challenge contributes meaningfully to your professional development. So, this is everything regarding the details of Module 1. From the next part onwards, we will start the discussion of Module 2. So in the second module, we will discuss about the course discovery. Here in session 2.1, we will talk about exploring the course ecosystem. We will get a comprehensive overview of the different learning opportunities available on HEPro and how to select the paths that best align with your goals. The platform organizes its courses into four major categories, each designed to build specific skills and competencies. The first category is management courses, which focus on leadership, strategic decision making, project management, and organizational effectiveness. Examples include courses on business strategy, operations management, marketing, and HR practices, helping you gain the skills needed to manage teams and drive business outcomes effectively. The second category is technical courses aimed at developing domain expertise and preparing you for industry ready roles. These include courses like data science, software development, artificial intelligence, and engineering fundamentals, enabling you to acquire practical, in demand technical skills. The third category is soft skills courses, which are essential for personal effectiveness and personal growth. These courses cover areas such as public speaking, emotional intelligence, problem solving, and team collaboration, helping you communicate better, work efficiently in teams, and navigate workplace challenges. By exploring these categories, you can identify the courses and specializations that align with your learning goals, allowing you to create a focused, personalized learning journey on HEPro that balances technical expertise, managerial knowledge, and personal development. Moving on towards the next slide, career development courses. HEPro offers a specialized set of courses designed to support your career progression and employability. These courses provide practical guidance on professional readiness, including areas like resume building, interview preparation, career mapping, and networking skills. By exploring these courses alongside management, technical, and soft skills offerings, learners can create a well rounded skill set that aligns with both their personal interests and industry expectations. The key takeaway from this session is that you have the flexibility to explore diverse categories and choose specialization areas that match your goals, enabling a learning path that is both meaningful and career focused. Moving into session 2.2, we will discuss about course selection and enrollment. The focus shifts to actively choosing and enrolling in courses that best suit your objectives. When selecting courses, consider three important criteria. Career alignment. Pick courses that equip you with skills needed for your desired role or industry. Personal interest. Focus on topics you are passionate about, which makes learning engaging and sustainable. And skill balance. Ensure a mix of technical, management, and soft skills to support holistic professional growth. This session also familiarizes learners with enrollment steps, course requirements, and assessment types so you can confidently start your HEPro learning journey in a structured and goal oriented way. Moving on, you will learn how to choose courses and best suited to your current knowledge, availability, and learning goals. Start by considering the difficulty level of the course, whether it's beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and ensure it aligns with your existing skills and experience. Next, evaluate the time commitment required for the course, taking into the account of duration, workload, and how it fits into your personal or professional schedule. It's also important to review the course requirements before enrolling. Some courses may have prerequisites such as basic knowledge or prior completion of foundational modules. Each course provides access to learning resources including readings, videos, projects, and case studies, which support hands on and applied learning. Additionally, active engagement is expected through discussions, assignments, and collaboration with peers, which enhances understanding and practical skill development. The key takeaway from this session is that course selection should strike a balance between career relevance and personal growth. By carefully considering difficulty, prerequisites, and engagement requirements, you can ensure that once enrolled, you are fully prepared to complete the course successfully and gain maximum benefit from your HEPro learning experience. Moving on towards the next slide. Here in session 2.3, we will talk about progress tracking and support. You will learn how to monitor your learning journey on HEPro and make the most of the platform's supported features for a seamless experience. Start by using the progress dashboard, which gives you a clear overview of your learning activities. Here you can track course completion to see the percentage of modules you have finished and what lessons are upcoming. You can also check assessment status, keeping an eye on quiz scores, assignment submissions, and feedback on projects so you can always know where you stand. The dashboard also allows you to view your earned certifications and track your eligibility for upcoming ones, helping you plan your learning strategically. Additionally, you can set learning goals, reminders, and milestones, which keeps you on schedule and motivated throughout your courses. By actively using the progress dashboard and support tools, you can stay organized, measure your achievements, and ensure a smooth and productive learning experience on HEPro, ultimately making your learning journey more focused and goal driven. So that is everything regarding the details of module 2. Now from the next part onwards, we will talk about the details of module 3. So in the third module, we will discuss about the project engagement. So here in session 3.1, let us talk about hands-on project framework. Learners are introduced to the various types of projects available on HEPro and how these projects help build practical skills and professional portfolios. Projects are a core part of the HEPro experience because they allow you to apply what you have learned in real-world scenarios, making your learning both tangible and impactful. The first type is technical projects, where you can apply domain specific knowledge in areas like coding, data analytics, design, or system development. Examples include creating a data visualization dashboard or developing a mobile app prototype, giving you practical experience that can directly showcase your skills to potential employers. Next are business projects, which focus on strategic thinking, decision making, and solving organizational problems. For instance, you might work on a market entry strategy or an operations improvement model, helping you gain hands on exposure to business analysis and management processes. Finally, capstone projects integrate learning from multiple courses or modules into a single comprehensive project. Examples include developing an end-to-end product launch plan or an AI-driven business case, allowing you to demonstrate your ability to handle complex real-world challenges. By engaging in these projects, learners not only build their portfolios but also gain the confidence and practical experience necessary to succeed in professional environments. Moving on, in the next slide, in this section, learners will understand the value of building a project portfolio through HEPro's hands-on projects. Each project serves as tangible proof of your skills, strengthening your resume and LinkedIn profile while demonstrating your problem solving ability, creativity, and practical expertise to potential employers. Completing projects also builds confidence as you can clearly showcase how you apply theoretical knowledge in real world scenarios. The outcomes of the project work go beyond completing tasks. You gain the ability to apply theory to practice, develop essential teamwork, communication, and critical thinking skills, and create a personal portfolio that highlights your achievements and learning journey. These projects also prepare you for interviews and job situations, giving you practical examples to discuss during professional interactions. The key takeaway is that hands on projects on HEPro are more than just assignments. They are career assets that bridge the gap between learning and professional achievement, providing a clear path from education to employability. Moving on. So here in session 3.2, we will discuss about the project execution and application. Learners are guided on how to initiate, plan, and successfully complete projects that align with their personal learning goals. The first step is project initiation. Here, you select the type of project you want to work on, whether it's technical, business, or capstone. Next, review the project guidelines, objectives, and any required tools, and ensure that your project goals are aligned with your career aspirations or learning objectives. The second step is planning and research. Break your project into manageable milestones to track progress efficiently. Gather all necessary resources such as data, case studies, and frameworks, and collaborate with peers or mentors if the project involves group work. This step ensures that you have a structured approach and a clear roadmap before starting the execution. The third step is execution, where you apply the theoretical concepts learned in courses to practical, real world scenarios. Make use of platform provided templates or tools to maintain consistency and structure in your work. Throughout the process, document your methods, insights, and outcomes, which not only helps in completing the project effectively, but also builds a strong portfolio that reflects your practical skills and professional growth. Moving on in the next slide. The next step is review and feedback. After completing initial drafts or progress updates, submit them to your instructor or mentor for feedback. Use their suggestions to revise and improve your work, ensuring the final output meets high standards and reflects your understanding accurately. Next is final submission, where you upload your completed project through the platform's submission portal. Make sure your files follow the required format, whether it's PDFs, presentations, or code files, and complete self-reflection notes to summarize the key learning outcomes from your project experience. The final step is showcase and application. Once submitted, add your project to your personal portfolio and LinkedIn profile, making it visible to potential employers and peers. You can also reference these projects in interviews as concrete examples of your practical skills and problem solving abilities. The key takeaway from this session is that a well executed project validates your learning and serves as a valuable career asset, demonstrating your ability to apply knowledge effectively to real world challenges while enhancing your professional profile. So, that is everything regarding the details of Module 3. Now, from the next module onwards, we will discuss about Module 4. In Module 4, we will discuss about the assessment and certifications. So here in session 4.1, we will talk about assessment methodologies. Learners are introduced to the different types of assessments on HEPro and how their performance is evaluated across various fields. The session helps you understand what to expect and how to approach assessments to demonstrate your skills effectively. For management assessments, the format typically includes case studies, scenario based analysis, and presentations. These assessments evaluate your ability in strategic thinking, decision making, and applying management principles, as well as your clarity and effectiveness in communicating solutions. Technical assessments focus on practical application of domain knowledge and may involve coding exercises, simulations, or prototype development. Here, performance is measured based on accuracy, efficiency, innovation, and adherence to technical standards, ensuring that you can deliver real world solution in your field. For science assessments, learners engage in experiments, hypothesis testing, and analytical reports. These are assessed on the basis of research rigor, data accuracy, interpretation of results, and proper application of the scientific method, emphasizing a methodological and evidence based approach. By understanding these assessment methodologies, learners can better prepare, plan, and approach their evaluations, ensuring that they can showcase both knowledge and practical skills effectively. Moving on in the next slide. HEPro also includes specialized assessments in other domains to evaluate diverse skills. Applied literature assessments focus on critical thinking and analytical skills. These assessments may involve critical essays, reviews, or comparative analysis. Performance is evaluated based on the depth of understanding, originality of interpretation, coherence of arguments, and proper referencing, helping learners develop strong analytical and communication capabilities. Data science assessments are designed to test practical, analytical, and technical expertise. They typically include data analysis projects, predictive modeling, and visualization tasks. Evaluation criteria focus on accuracy in data handling, effective use of analytical tools, generation of meaningful insights, and clarity in data visualization, ensuring learners can translate data into actionable outcomes. By understanding these assessment types and criteria, learners can approach their evaluations with confidence, knowing exactly how their skills and knowledge will be measured across different disciplines. Moving on. Here in session 4.2, we will talk about the certification pathways. Learners are introduced to HEPro's structured 10-level certification system designed to track skill mastery, project performance, and professional readiness. Each level represents increasing expertise with milestones tied to course participation, project submissions, assessments, peer validation, and expert reviews, ensuring that progression reflects practical ability, not just course completion. The criteria for moving between levels are clearly defined. Levels 1 to 3 focus on completing introductory courses and successfully submitting beginner level projects. Levels 4 to 6 involve intermediate assessments, collaboration projects, and performance evaluated by peers, allowing learners to demonstrate applied knowledge in more complex scenarios. Levels 7 to 9 emphasize advanced specialization, leadership in group projects, and evaluations by domain experts, preparing learners for professional challenges. Level 10 represents mastery, where learners achieve portfolio ready status and a career focused certification that validates their comprehensive skill set. This pathway ensures that learners can clearly understand how achievements translate into career ready certifications, and it provides a structured roadmap for progressing from foundational skills to advanced expertise, all while building a portfolio of tangible, demonstrable outcomes. Moving on in the next slide. In this section on badges and certifications, HEPro explains how learners can showcase their achievements, and competencies throughout their learning journey. As you progress through the 10-level certification pathway, you earn digital badges at each level to highlight specific skills and milestones. Certificates are awarded at key stages such as level 3, level 6, and level 10 and include important details like your name, skill focus, validation ID, and issuing authority, ensuring they are creditable and recognized. You can display these badges and certificates on your HEPro profile, and the platform provides options to export and share them on LinkedIn, resumes, or personal portfolios. This not only highlights your practical skills but also enhances credibility with employers and educational institutions, turning your learning into verifiable professional achievements. Moving into session 4.3, let us discuss about planning for assessment success. The focus is on preparing effectively for assessments and performing with confidence. One of the key strategies is time management, where learners are introduced to structured study techniques such as Pomodoro method, Eisenhower matrix, and weekly planner. By creating a realistic schedule that balances learning, revision, and rest, and by allocating dedicated slots for mock practice and self assessment, learners can approach assessments in a planned, focused, and stress free manner, maximizing their performance and learning outcomes. Moving on. Learners are guided on best practices for preparation to ensure they perform effectively in assessments. Start by reviewing course objectives and key learning outcomes so you know exactly what skills and knowledge will be evaluated. Practice regularly using sample questions, quizzes, or case studies and track your progress through self reflection and peer feedback. Maintaining healthy study habits, including taking breaks, staying hydrated, and setting sufficient rest, is also crucial for optimal performance and focus. HEPro also provides live Q&As and support sessions where learners can clarify doubts in real time, engage in interactive discussion with instructors and peers, and learn practical strategies shared by previous learners. These sessions offer valuable insights and tips that improve preparation techniques and build confidence. By the end of this session, learners leave with personalized preparation plan, confidence in managing their time and energy, and access to continuous support resources. This structured approach ensures that every assessment is approached with clarity, focus, and readiness, maximizing both learning outcomes and professional growth. So, this is everything regarding the details of Module 4. In the next part onwards, we will start the discussion about Module 5. So, in this Module 5, we will discuss about the advanced features and career tools. In session 5.1, we will discuss about AI career pathways. Learners are introduced to HEProAI, the platform's advanced AI-powered career guidance system designed to help align learning with real-world professional goals. HEProAI analyzes each learner's skills, interests, and progress to generate personalized insights that support smarter career planning and skill development. Through personalized career recommendations, the system suggests roles and opportunities that match your unique skill profile. It also creates dynamic learning paths that evolve as you progress, ensuring that your journey remains relevant to your goals and the latest industry demands. One of the most powerful features of HEProAI is its career gap analysis, which identifies the difference between your current capabilities and your desired career roles. Based on this analysis, the system recommends specific learning modules, projects, and certifications to help you close those gaps efficiently. By leveraging these actionable AI insights, learners can accelerate their career growth, stay industry ready, and make data driven decisions about their learning journey, turning every skill learned on HEPro into a step towards professional success. Moving on in the next slide. Learners now move into the practical application phase where they get to experience HEProAI in action. This session includes a live demonstration of the HEProAI career mapping dashboard, showcasing how the platform intelligently analyzes your inputs and progress to create a clear, personalized career trajectory. During the hands-on activity, learners will input their own career goals, areas of interest, and current skill levels into the system. HEPro AI will then generate tailored recommendations, including suggested roles, relevant courses, and specific projects that align with each learner's professional aspirations. A Q&A segment follows where participants can clarify how to interpret these AI generated insights and learn how to take strategic actions based on them, whether it's prioritizing certain courses, taking on specific projects, or pursuing certifications that strengthen employability. Moving on. In session 5.2, we will talk about life challenges and competitions. Learners are introduced to one of the most engaging and career building aspects of HEPro, the life challenge ecosystem. These events are designed to simulate real world business, consulting, and management problem solving, helping learners apply their skills in dynamic, competitive environments. The session begins with an overview of competition formats, where participants learn about different types of challenges such as case competitions, hackathons, and consulting sprints. Each format is structured to test strategic thinking, teamwork, and innovation under pressure. Learners can participate individually or as a part of a team, depending on the challenge type, and must work within specific time limits to develop solutions and present their findings effectively. HEPro adds further motivation through its recognition and reward system. Participants earn digital badges and certificates for their achievements, which can be added to their HEPro profile and shared on professional platforms. A leaderboard highlights top performers, giving them visibility within the learning community and with potential employers. These competitions not only reward excellence but also open doors to networking and career opportunities, allowing learners to gain real recognition for their problem solving capabilities. Moving on. Learners also explore the portfolio impact of these activities. Every competition outcome can be added directly to the HEPro profile and personal resume, allowing participants to highlight their problem solving abilities, teamwork experience, and leadership skills. These verified achievements significantly strengthen career prospects as they serve as concrete proof of real world capability and initiative. By the end of the session, learners not only gain practical exposure but also earn recognition and portfolio enhancements, positioning themselves as standout candidates in the competitive job market. Moving on to session 5.3, mentoring and premium services. The focus shifts to providing learners with personalized growth opportunities through expert guidance. HEPro offers a range of mentoring packages designed to elevate the learning experience. Learners can opt for one-on-one mentorship sessions with seasoned industry professionals for individualized career and project guidance, or join group mentoring sessions to benefit from peer learning and networking within professional circles. These mentoring options provide tailored support for project improvement, skill development, and career planning, ensuring that every learner receives actionable feedback and direction to progress effectively in their chosen field. Through mentorship and premium services, HEPro empowers learners to move beyond self-paced learning into guided, career-focused development. Moving on, in the next slide. This part focuses on how you can take your professional growth even further through certification support services and career documentation tools. Through certification support services, you get personalized help to prepare for your exams and certification milestones. You'll have access to specialized workshops, mock assessments, and expert guidance that ensures you're fully ready for any certification challenge. You will also learn how to showcase your certifications effectively to employers so every achievement you earn on HEPro becomes a powerful addition to your professional profile. Next, with career documentation and premium tools, you will get access to exclusive services that help you present yourself like a professional. You can build a polished resume and a digital portfolio, get LinkedIn optimization support, and receive tips on personal branding that make you stand out in your industry. As a premium learner, you will also gain access to advanced analytics dashboards where you can track your skill development, monitor your learning progress, and plan your next career steps strategically. Moving on in the next slide. In the program wrap up and continuous learning session, you'll bring your entire HEPro learning journey together, reflecting on what you have achieved, how far you have come, and where you can go next. The session begins with a warm welcome and introduction, marking this as the moment of celebration and reflection. You will revisit the purpose of this final module to summarize your key learnings, acknowledge your milestones, and prepare for the next stage of your professional growth. This session is all about helping you look back with pride and look forward with purpose. Here you will get a complete overview of what you have accomplished across all sessions, from setting up your account and defining your learning goals to completing hands-on projects, earning certifications, and engaging with life challenges. You will also have the opportunity to clarify any remaining questions, address common issues, and explore ways to continue learning and applying your skills even beyond the program. Moving on, in this session, learners revisit all key modules and celebrate their progress. The summary review of modules highlights the journey from understanding the HEPro platform and exploring learning paths to engaging in hands-on projects, completing assessments, and earning certifications. It also emphasizes advanced features like mentoring, AI career tools, and live competitions that support continuous growth. The User Achievements and Recognition segment celebrates learner milestones such as completed projects, earned certificates, and completion participation, while encouraging them to share their success stories and continue applying their skills beyond the program. Moving on in the next slide. In the Continuous Learning and Next Steps segment, learners are guided on how to maintain momentum after completing the program. You are encouraged to explore advanced modules, participate in competitions, engage in peer mentoring, and apply your skills in real-world scenarios to keep growing professionally. The session also includes a Q&A and troubleshooting segment where you can ask questions about any module, platform features, or career guidance and resolve common issues like navigation, project submissions, or certificate downloads. Finally, the closing remarks thank you for your engagement, emphasize the value of ongoing interactions within the HEPro community, and provide contact details for additional support, ensuring you continue your learning journey with confidence. Moving on. As the part of the HEPro training program, you will receive a comprehensive set of training materials to support your learning journey. These include onboarding video guides and walkthrough PDFs to help you get started, along with workshop slide decks and session handouts for each module. You will also have access to sample project templates, assessment rubrics, and a portfolio planning worksheet to structure your practical work effectively. Additionally, a certification roadmap infographic provides a clear view of your progression, and the community discussion forum allows you to engage with peers, share insights, and seek guidance throughout the program. Moving on. By the end of the training program, you will emerge as an empowered HEPro user, fully equipped to leverage the platform's courses, hands-on projects, strategic models, and live competitions. The program integrates all platform features with assessment strategies and career support, guiding you to acquire practical skills, build a professional portfolio, and advance your career. This immersive digital experience ensures that you not only learn but also apply knowledge effectively, preparing you for real world challenges and long term professional growth. Moving on to the last part. This section outlines a training program's agenda, organized into modules with specific sessions and their scheduled durations in minutes. The program covers everything from platforms, basics, and course completion to project work, assessment, certification, and career tools. In conclusion, HEPro provides a comprehensive experiential learning ecosystem that empowers you to transform learning knowledge into practical skills and tangible career achievements. From exploring diverse courses and engaging in hands on projects to earning certifications, participating in life challenges, and accessing AI driven career guidance, every feature is designed to support your growth. By actively leveraging the platform, tracking your progress, and applying insights in real world scenarios, you can build a strong professional portfolio, enhance employability, and confidently navigate your career journey, making HEPro not just a learning platform but a pathway to lasting professional success. So, that is everything regarding the detailed training modules and sessions for HEPro.in.